So in this video from the Home Solutions channel, we're going to talk about siding and whether you should be replacing your siding or whether maybe you just need to repair your siding if there's damage or rot or different things going on with your siding. So stay tuned. Hi, my name is Dale. I'm the installation leader at Southwest Exteriors, and welcome to the Home Solutions channel. So next we're going to talk about siding and whether you may need to replace all of the siding on your house. So seems like a big task, but there are a lot of things that go on that may make you want to or have to replace all of the siding in your house. That could be anything from bugs or critters or weather damage. I mean, who knows what it is, right? There's all kinds of reasons across the board. The first reason is probably, serious damage and rot. Maybe it's something that's wicked up from the bottom. The old siding may have been sitting in the dirt and just wicked up water and soaked into the substrate, and things just start to rot out after time. Sometimes it's just old and the materials only last so long, and so you'll have damage and different things that happen over time that can cause you to have to replace all of your siding and the substrate. Sometimes it's going to be something that you just don't foresee coming. I mean, it could be that your neighbor's tree fell in, hit your siding, and next thing you know, you're having an entire side of your house that has to be replaced. So those are all potential reasons why you need to replace all of your siding. So next we're going to talk about repairing your siding. That could be for any number of reasons. It could be something as simple as a bird made a hole in a portion of your siding and it needs to be repaired, or it could be something just small damages, from tree debris or weather, wind, hail. Any of these things are perfect things. It could be that you put in a new carport and you have a section of siding that needed to be removed, so you need to put something back. And you could have some sort of material that just has failed over time, and it could require just some minor repair or replacement. And so those things come up, and a lot of situations you don't have to do all of the siding. If there's not any major damage, you can replace just sections of it. If you had gotten your siding done a few years ago and you're finding some tiles that are cracked because of a nail that went through or something that happened that's just minor damage, no reason to replace everything. You can do some repairs. Still involves quite a bit of work and things to get it to the point that it looks great, but definitely not a reason to replace everything on your house. So hopefully this gave you enough information to make a determination whether you need to replace your siding or whether you just need to do some simple repairs. Below is a link for 10 questions that you want to ask any siding contractor before you're doing business with them. We would really appreciate it if you'd check it out. I really, really hope that this helped you make a decision on your siding or anything else that you had questions about. Feel free to visit the links below, and we will see you next time. It could also be things like weather damage. It could be anything from, you had a car run through the front of your house. It could be just about anything when you have. Sorry. Caught me off guard.